Acidity in the blood can increase the risk of cancer and many other diseases. A diet rich in alkaline foods helps prevent many diseases. It also increases your energy and your immune system. Best alkaline foods you should include in your diet. Number 1. Avocado. It has 20 essential nutrients. Avocado is rich in potassium, fiber, vitamin E and B. It is an excellent alkaline meal. In addition, it is one of the best foods for intestinal health. Number 2. Pumpkin. It has a high content of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Pumpkin is also rich in vitamins A, C and B. In addition, pumpkin seeds are excellent for your body. You should use pumpkin oil in salads. Number 3. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is rich in good carbohydrates. It binds to acids in the stomach, and that is very important for alkalinity. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin C, magnesium and potassium. In addition, it is one of the best foods for your immunity. Number 4. Amaranth. This grain is rich in fiber and amino acid lysine. It is excellent for increasing alkalinity. You can add it to salads, oatmeal. Number 5. Kale. It has a high content of vitamins and minerals, especially calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus. You can add it to a healthy green smoothie or salads. Number 6. Celery. Celery sticks are excellent for you. You can make, for example, celery sticks stuffed with peanut butter. In addition, you can add celery sticks to soups and healthy salads. Celery branches are rich in niacin and calcium. They are good for digestion and for lowering blood pressure. On the other hand, celery root is also one of the best alkaline foods. It is rich in vitamin B, C, antioxidants. You can crush the celery root and add it to salads or mashed potatoes. Number 7. Almonds. Almonds are rich in protein, zinc, vitamin E. They are excellent for your skin. Almond flour is an excellent substitute for wheat flour. Number 8. Carrot. This vegetable is rich in beta-carotene that is converted to vitamin A and has a positive effect on eyesight. It is also rich in calcium, magnesium and potassium. Carrot is great for detoxification because it helps clean the liver from toxins. Number 9. Lemon. Although lemon has a very sour taste, it is one of the best alkaline foods that you should include in your diet. Lemon becomes alkaline in the body and stimulates the immune system. Number 10. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel alkalizes the body, helps maintain balance when you ingest many acidic ingredients. It also improves your immune system. In addition, it increases metabolism and helps with stress. It is better to use aloe vera juice.